Yeah, you're going.
Okay. Ooh! Big eyes. In case it explodes. No, I can't open it. Oh.
Would you like me to open it for you?
No. Oh. Here.
Can you hear it?
I can't open it.
Can you get it? No?
Oh! Happy fizzy milk! Oh!
Oh.
Mmm.
I hope you enjoy it. He's drinking. Are you nervous?
It's foamy!
How is it? Is that because we froze it?
Yeah. Okay.
Is it alright?
Mmm! Okay. No, it's good. Okay, it's not bad.
Have another swig.
I will. It's not good.
Is it not?
I don't know. It's weird. It's really weird. Let me video you.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to wipe my hands. Okay, Frankie. You have a go. Citrus burst flavours. That's a big swig.
Mmm.
It's weird, isn't it? It's the aftertaste that gets me.
It doesn't taste like milk.
No.
No.
It tastes like off fizzy drink. Yeah, rude.
Done.
Hey, rude, yay.